Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you convert a TIFF file format into a JPEG or JPG using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to convert a TIFF to a JPEG on your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes people will send you TIFF files. Wherever you're uploading it or sending it, it has to be a JPEG. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Mac. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to pay for the conversion either. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a TIFF file. Let me go ahead and show you right here on the file type. I'm going to scroll down and you can see this is a TIFF image. So I'll highlight it. Now, in order to convert this to a JPEG, all you're going to do is just right click on it. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see quick action. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on convert image. Once you do that, you want to choose the format JPEG. By default, it's already going to be there, and you can resize it if you want. Usually I'll leave it in actual size unless it's too large, and you want to click on convert to JPEG. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see that that TIFF file has now been converted to a JPEG right down here at the bottom. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the JPEG file. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to convert a TIFF file to a JPEG using just your Mac for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.